Welcome back to Ride Geek, your ultimate destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the world of electric motorcycles with a comprehensive look at the 2025 Zero SR-S. This sport touring machine promises to blend cutting-edge technology with exhilarating performance. Let's explore what makes the Zero SR-S a standout in its category. At first glance, the Zero SR-S captivates with its sleek, full-fairing design, exuding a modern and aerodynamic aesthetic. Despite its sportbike appearance, the SR-S offers a surprisingly upright and comfortable riding position. The handlebars are positioned 26 mm higher and 15 mm wider than its naked counterpart, the SR-F, providing a relaxed posture ideal for long-distance touring. Additionally, the foot pegs are lowered, offering ample legroom and reducing rider fatigue on extended journeys. Underneath its stylish exterior, the SR-S houses Zero's Z475-10 air-cooled permanent magnet AC motor, delivering a robust 111 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute and an impressive 140 pound-feet of torque. This translates to swift acceleration, propelling the bike from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.3 seconds. The SR-S boasts a top speed of 124 miles per hour, ensuring it holds its own on highways and twisty backroads alike. Equipped with a 17.3 kWh lithium-ion battery, the SR-S offers a city range of up to 171 miles and a combined city-highway range of 116 miles. For those planning longer trips, the integrated 6.6 kW charger facilitates a 95% recharge in just over 2 hours using a level 2 charging station, minimizing downtime between rides. The SR-S features a steel trellis frame complemented by fully adjustable Showa suspension components. Up front, a 43 mm big piston separate function fork handles damping duties, while the rear is managed by a 40 mm piston piggyback reservoir shock. This setup ensures a balanced and responsive ride, capable of adapting to various riding conditions and preferences. Safety is paramount, and the SR-S doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with Bosch's advanced motorcycle stability control, enhancing rider confidence through features like cornering ABS and traction control. The braking system comprises dual 320 mm discs with J1 radial 4-piston calipers at the front and a single 240 mm disc at the rear, delivering reliable and controlled stopping power. The SR-S is packed with advanced technology, including a color TFT display that provides real-time data and supports turn-by-turn navigation via Zero's mobile app. Riders can customize performance parameters through multiple riding modes and stay connected with Bluetooth and cellular connectivity. Additional conveniences like cruise control and dual USB charging ports enhance the overall riding experience. Priced at $20,995, the 2025 Zero SR-S positions itself competitively within the electric motorcycle market. When considering its blend of performance, advanced features, and the benefits of electric propulsion, such as reduced maintenance and fuel costs, the SR-S offers substantial value for riders seeking a modern sport touring motorcycle. The 2025 Zero SR-S stands as a testament to the advancements in electric motorcycle technology, offering a harmonious blend of performance, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of motorcycling, the SR-S provides an engaging and eco-friendly riding experience that's hard to overlook. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the Zero SR-S. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Ride Geek. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.